Hi guys, how are you? If you think that making machines follow your instructions is amazing, and fantastic, then this video is certainly for you, because it'll help you explore the entire science behind it. The devices that you use almost every day, such as computers. Talking about computers are all around us. They can help us do things quickly, save information, and keep in touch. People in shops, factories, hospitals, and schools use computers in lots of different ways to do different types of jobs. People use computers in different places. And the same thing for smartphones. Smartphones have become an inseparable part of our daily lives. We use smartphones to set our morning alarm for work or school, to communicate with friends and family anywhere in the world, to listen to music, or to watch YouTube videos, or even to check our emails, and of course, to take our daily selfies. Like a smartphone, a smart TV offers a number of internet-connected services that normal televisions can offer. It has the equivalent of a computer built into it. It enables you to browse the web, watch YouTube, and catch up on social networking. Well, all these devices work in a certain manner. But how do these devices know what tasks to perform? And how to perform them? It is coding. And that's what coding looks like. What is coding? Coding is merely the process of converting human instructions that direct the step-by-step action the machine needs to take to accomplish the requested mission into a language that a computer can understand and follow. Computers are electronic machines made with the transistors. These are some transistors. Transistors aren't very complicated. They are simple solid-state on and off switch. When you combine tens of thousands of these on and off switches, you get a computer. Anything that a computer can do is nothing more than a unique combination of some transistors turn it on and some transistors turn it off. Well, binary code, or the ones and zeros you see in the movies, instructs these switches whether to turn on 1 or to turn off 0. Each transistor will receive a 1 or a 0, and with thousands working at once, you can do some computing. So, computers only understand binary, or the ones and zeros language, but they don't understand human language. As a result, to communicate with computers, you need to choose a suitable means of communication, and you have to write your instructions in a way that the computer would understand. Unfortunately, attempting to make an entire computer work by manually typing a number for each transistor, or in other words, using the machine language, which is completely different from our natural language and very difficult for us to comprehend, would take an incredible amount of time. Therefore, to help speed up the process, you can communicate with machines using intermediary languages, such as C#, Ruby, and Python, etc. These intermediary languages are called coding languages or programming languages. They are very similar to the languages that humans communicate in, such as English. Or in other words, its statements resemble English language statements. For instance, all of the languages just mentioned have some form of an if statement, which says, if some condition holds, then take some action. Or in a concrete way, if it is rainy, then take an umbrella. And as we can see here, it is very similar to our natural language. The instructions that you write in these languages are called codes. Each line of code tells the computer to do something, and a document with several lines of code is called a script. Programming languages are simply a set of rules defining how code should be written, when and where to use keywords such as if, for, whether to add a space, parentheses, etc. These languages are understood by both humans who are programmers and computers. Well, we know that there is a lot of languages out there like C++, C, Python, C#, and of course Java. But the question is, what do they have in common? Well, each programming language has a syntax and rules which need to be followed when code is written. Say you want to make the text "Hello World" appear on a computer screen. Well, the print function has to be written in lowercase because case is important, and the string has to be between speech marks. The second thing is the compiler, which converts each instruction you write in your code into machine code for the computer to understand. Because as we've mentioned before, computer only understands the language of zeros and ones or binary code. And the third thing is the computer executes the code and returns the results. For our previous code of displaying Hello World on screen, the result is this. So in short, coding is the process of using a programming language to get a computer to behave how we want. It involves writing many lines of code to create a program. These lines of code can give you the desired results only if they are compiled and then executed. If you have any questions or comments, write it down in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.